Hi guys, welcome to another video. We are looking at, today we are looking at flowers, more precisely parts of flowers and learning the parts of a flower. So I am going to be using some words that may be hard to pronounce. They may even be hard for me to pronounce. I will put them in the description so you can see them and learn to pronounce them yourself. Okay, that being said, let's talk about flowers. So all flowers start off as buds, and these are the sepals, the green part that covers up the maturing flower. Okay? The petals are the part of the flower that actually covers up the plants. And this is a petal. Okay? They cover up the plants. At night, they may close up during bad weather. They also help to attract pollinators in. And they, again, protect the reproductive parts. Now, the first part that we're going to look at are the male parts. Okay, and the male parts of the plants basically are called stamens. Sorry. And the stamens are made up of two parts, the anther and the filament. So here, these right here, wait, no. Yeah. Okay, so these long things right here are the male parts of the flower. Where is it? I laid one out. And these are this is a stamen. So this is the pistil. Nope, wrong term. This is the filament, and this is the anther. And the anther's job is to produce that pollen, and it also is where the pollen rests until a pollinator comes by. The pistil's job, I keep saying that, sorry, that'll have to be removed. It is the filament's job to get that pollen up to where a pollinator is going to get it. Now, the pistil is the female part of the flower, and it has 4 parts to it. Okay, 4 parts. I'm holding this up. I don't think. Okay, so the first part, the 4 parts are the stigma, the style, the ovary, and the ovula. Ovally? Anyway, I'll put that in the description. So the stigma is the part of the flower where the pollen is basically initially makes contact. So that little bit there, that top, is the stigma. So once that pollen gets on the stigma, the style produces tubes. And these tubes transport that pollen all the way down to the ovaries. And in this case, the ovaries are going to be probably what this part would be here. Okay, you can see right down in there. And inside of there is where the ovuli are. And the guys, I know I'm not pronouncing that right. The ovuli is where the seeds would be. So the pollen goes down those pollen tubes, makes contact down in there, and wham bam, you have fruit developing or seeds developing. Now, this is where we get into some very big words that I may or may not be able to produce, even though I know what they mean. So a plant that has both male and female flowers is called monoecious. Monoecious. And they have both male and female flowers. Now in this case, our daylilies have male and female parts. Monoecious. A plant that has only male flowers is called androecious. And the female counterpart is gynoecious. The general term for this is dioecious. Okay? So when you have separate flowers on one plant, dioecious. If you found this useful, please give this video a like. Please subscribe if you haven't, and click that notification bell so you know when my next video is coming out. And the next video is going to be how to set up an insect trap for insects that live on the ground. That might be useful if you are doing an insect collection and you just want to know how to do that. And the second part of that video is then going to be checking the insect trap. So there will be two parts to that. So if you found this video useful, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't, and click that bell so you know when my next video is coming out. This is Nature Guy X46 saying so long.